Good afternoon to Madam Jane and my fellow friends. My name is Tashahu binti Hamdihu, and the topic of my seminar today is the factors that contribute to customers switching to another brand in telecommunications industries. I bet all of us knew what telecommunications industry is. Telecommunication industry is the sector of informations and communications technology which made up all the telephones companies and internet service providers. It plays the crucial role in the evolution of mobile communications and the information society. Let's take an example for the telecommunication industry that we have in Malaysia, such as Maxis, Celcom, Digi, U-Mobile, Telekom Malaysia, and so on. First on the list of the factor that contribute to customer switching brand is the brand image. The brand image is a perception or a picture of a brand created in the mind of the customer through different responses of customer that could be emotional or rational. A brand is not first built and perceived by the customer, but instead, every step in the branding process, every brand messages is separately perceived by the customer and together add up to a brand image which form in the customer's mind. For example, the customer build brand image in their mind through different sources such as word of mouth, public reputation, and marketing communications. The positive brand image prevents the customer from switching to another brand. The more value the brand holds, the more profitable would it be for the company. Second on the list, we have the core services failure. Core services failure has been seen as the major cause of customer switching behavior. It might be that the core services failure itself be the major cause, or it could be accompanied by other reasons that makes the customers to switch. However, this major cause includes all of that are due to the error or technical problem caused the services providers themselves. The core service include the errors of billing, service mistakes, and service disasters. Some customers may see that billing error is being accompanied by the delay in correcting those errors. They might be likely to switch to another service provider. For example, in the cell phone industries, as the new features, packages, plan are introduced, they need to change or update their billing system, which may be a result of billing problem. As I mentioned before, the factor of core services failure is service disaster or service function, which makes the customer to switch because of the loss of their time and money. The third most important factor in switching behavior is pricing. Pricing basically includes the core charges, rates, penalty, or surcharges or fees. Customers switching on the time when they perceive that the price is high and it is totally unfair because they have the reference prices on their minds, which they tend to compare with the past experience of the acceptable charges for the values of the services that they being offered to them. Customers tend to compare the prices of competitors that offers the same services. Another category of pricing which lead to switching behavior relates to deceptive pricing, in which the customer has not been given all the subsidiary charges and the final price when charged is more than the customer's expectation and the price quoted to the customers. For example, the customer subscribed for 3 minutes for a particular time duration to the particular time, and if the customer exceeds minutes, it's either the time period, there will be an additional charges. Number 4 on the list, we have value offers. It is stated that the customers judge the consumption value after comparing the benefits that could be gained from other services as well, along with their cost. Propose that service provided through enhanced offers provide a superior value to improve the customer satisfaction by increasing and decreasing the benefits so that the customer is retained. Last but not least, we have competitive offers. Competitions make the services provides in telecommunication industry to attract the new customer to its network by persuading them, such as by offering large amount of discount, promotional time-bound free calling, and etc. These offers had led the customer with number of choices, especially to those who are price conscious. A price war in any kind of industry is not good because it's made the industry less profitable by constant discounting, which makes the customer price sensitive as most likely to switch. In a nutshell, studying consumer behavior is important because it helps us as a marketer to understand more on what influences our customer in their buying decisions. So that is all for me. Thank you for listening.